Hi everyone, this is Caroline with You Are Created Beautifully. Super excited, it's been a super long day, but it is the day we've all been waiting for. The day to pick our giveaway winner. Thank you so much for you guys who commented down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give my shout outs of thank yous for those entering my first giveaway. Sorry it's super late, it's like 1 a.m. in the morning, but I have to get this video out because I just want to show my appreciation for everyone. Summer days are definitely long. Here's our bucket. I'm gonna go ahead and read out our names and then we'll mix them all together and pick our winner. First up, Lionheart Music and AV LLC. Benitisa Campos 35. Elizabeth Kodo. Likey for Polly 1. Lucia Fatay Tupa 6. Or is that the number of days? Oops, my bad. Gina Lavaca, Finao, Junior Misipati, Garden Montenegro, Jackie Solis, 25, Philippe Anthony Teo, Alicia Garza, Anau Pruitt, Jerry Clemens, Denai Du Bois, Teresa Creations, Amy Garcia. I want to apologize if I mispronounced your names. Okay, hold on, I have to fold. Okay, so again, the rule is I'm gonna pull the name out of this bin and then you're gonna have 3 days to please contact me and let me know how I can get your gift card to you. The prize again is $30 to Target. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's kind of nerve-wracking because I want all of you guys to win. But a stay-at-home mom ain't got $30 for all of y'all. So, drum roll. Again, before I pull the names, thank you to all of you guys who have been with this channel since the very beginning. And then there was like a 6-year gap and me starting over again this year. Thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe. And all of you guys who have just found my channel, thank you so much. All right, here we go. I'm nervous. I don't hurt nobody's feelings. I don't want to open it. Okay, the lucky winner is, oh my gosh, this is kind of nerve-wracking. Oh, I don't want to hurt any of my subscribers. There can only be one winner, and the winner is Amy Garcia. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please contact me. You have 3 days to please reach out to me and let me know how I can get your gift card to you. Again, thank you so much to all of you guys who entered into my first giveaway. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.